Nursery, it's Miss Compton. I hope you've all had a chance to have a look at our new story this week called Jasper's Beanstalk. If you haven't, go and have a listen now before you start our maths activity. So today, Miss Compton is going to be doing some counting with you. And we are going to be counting something special. We're going to be counting some seeds, just like Jasper had in his story. So if you would like to join me with our counting, you're going to need some special things. You're going to need an egg box, like this one, which has got 10 spaces in, or if you don't have a big egg box like this, you can maybe find a tens frame. If you haven't got one, you could draw one with a pen, or you could use some tape and scissors like Miss Compton did to make a tens frame here. Just remember, you need to have 10 spaces in your tens frame. Also, you're going to need some seeds, or if you don't have any seeds, maybe you could find some toys to help you count. I'm sure everyone's got some at home they could use. Today, Miss Compton's going to be using the seeds, and we're going to have a go at counting and finding out how many we have got. Are you ready? Super. Now, when we do our counting together at nursery, we have to remember some special things. We have 3 success criteria that we remember. First of all, we need to count in a line. Can you remember that? So we need to count in a line. Second, we need to use our counting finger when we are counting. And we need to make sure it points to the objects. Number 3, we need to make sure we count slowly so we don't miss any out. Let's see if we can do it together. Are you ready? So I've got my seeds here. I'm going to empty them out on the table so they're all ready. Let's see if we can put them in to the container first and then we'll count them off. So I'm going to put them in a line and make sure they go all along the top of my tens frame first. And this egg box is like a tens frame because it has 10 spaces. So I've put them in a line. Then we need our counting finger. Have you got yours ready? Let's see if we can count slowly and see how many we have. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seeds. I know there must be 10 as well because there are no spaces in my tens frame. Let's see if we can use our fingers to help us count to 10 as well. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 wiggly fingers. I wonder how many seeds or toys you are going to count today. When you've done your counting, your next challenge is going to be to write down the number. So you're going to need a pen and a piece of paper. Now, Miss Compton had 10 seeds, so I need to remember how to write the number 10. I know it starts with a 1, so I'm going to remember my number rhyme for 1 and write that first. So I'm going to start at the top and down I run. That's the way I make a 1. Can you do that with me? Ready? Start at the top and down I run. That's the way I make a 1. Now next I need a 0. So for my 0, I'm going to start at the top and I'm going to go around and around and around we go. When we get back, we have a 0. Can you do that with me? Ready? Round and around and around we go. When we get back, we have a 0. Well done. So, Miss Compton has got the number 10 to match to my 10 seeds. Super. Have a go at counting and see how many you have. And don't forget to upload it onto Tapestry so we can have a look. Bye for now.